fellow developers, user feedback is a developer's best friend. It helps you understand what works and what doesn't in your app. But let's be honest, building a feedback system from scratch can be time-consuming. That's where the feedback package comes in. It's a ready-to-use solution that allows users to share feedback with text input and screenshot annotations, making the process effortless. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate feedback into your Flutter app, capture user insights, and even customize the UI. Let's dive in. Before we start, hit that like button and subscribe for more Flutter tutorials. First, let's install the package. Open your terminal and run Flutter pub.dev feedback command. Next, wrap your app inside Better Feedback. This ensures that the feedback system is active throughout your app. Now let's add a button that users can tap to open the feedback panel. When the button is clicked, the feedback panel will appear. Simple, right? When users activate the feedback panel, they can navigate through the app, capture a screenshot of any screen, annotate UI elements directly on the screenshot, provide additional feedback via text input. Let's see this in action. Once a user submits feedback, we need to process it. The onFeedback callback provides a user feedback object that contains the user's feedback text, the raw screenshot data. Here's how you can handle it. You can then upload it to GitLab, Sentry, Firebase, or cloud storage. Send it via email, store it in your server. Want to match the feedback panel to your app's design? You can customize it using feedback theme data. You can adjust the colors, UI elements, and the overall feedback flow to match your brand. And that's it. Now you can collect valuable user feedback without spending hours building a system from scratch. With the feedback package, your users can report issues, suggest improvements, and help you make your app better. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the feedback package on pub.dev. Turn on notifications so you don't miss future Flutter tips. Until next time, happy coding.